AI language model. Imagine a digital assistant that can not only comprehend your requests, but also respond in a manner that's indistinguishably human-like. Welcome to the world of AI language models, where the line between human and machine communication blurs. Enter ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. This is no ordinary piece of software. It's a sophisticated tool that generates human-like text responses based on the input it receives. It's a product of a family of models known as GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But what does this mean exactly? In essence, ChatGPT is a deep learning model designed to process sequential data, like text. It learns complex patterns and relationships in language by analyzing vast amounts of text data. The interaction process with ChatGPT is intriguingly simple. You feed it a prompt or a question, and it generates a response based on its understanding of the input and the patterns it has learned during training. It's like having a conversation with a digital companion that understands the context and responds accordingly. Now, let's take a quick journey back in time to understand the evolution of ChatGPT. The first iteration, GPT-1, saw the light of day in 2018. Its successor, GPT-2, came along in 2019 and took the tech world by storm with its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. The release of GPT-2 was met with both admiration and concern, as the potential misuse of this technology for spreading misinformation became evident. Despite these concerns, OpenAI made the bold move to release GPT-2 to the public, albeit with certain restrictions. Fast forward to 2020, GPT-3 made its grand entry. This version marked significant improvements in model size, training data, and performance, solidifying its position as one of the most powerful language models to date. ChatGPT, a specialized version of GPT-3, is fine-tuned for conversational interactions, making brainstorming and problem-solving. It's not foolproof. It may generate irrelevant, nonsensical, or inappropriate responses, particularly when dealing with ambiguous or unclear input. Furthermore, it can reflect the biases present in the training data it was exposed to, a reminder that AI, after all, is a reflection of our society. Understanding the potential and the limitations of ChatGPT is the key to harnessing its capabilities responsibly. AI language models like ChatGPT are not just tools, but partners in our digital journey, helping us navigate the complex world of information and communication.